Hi, welcome to Wovi Food channel. We are making instant pot mutton curry, South Indian gravy style for dosa. I have already shown the ingredients. Further, now I am taking here mutton 1/4 pound, bone and boneless. I have added ginger garlic paste, chili powder, turmeric, salt, garam masala, and mixed it very well so that the mixture coat to each and every piece. I marinated for 24 hours. You can just marinate only for an hour, and that is totally fine. Now I'm taking the instant pot, adding 3 tablespoons of oil, adding kali jeera, cloves, cinnamon, green chilies, ground cardamom, and I'm sauteing it very well. And I'm sauteing this in a normal setting. So once these are sauteed, add 2 big onions which are finely chopped, and I have added 2-inch grated fresh turmeric, and I'm sauteing right now. I have added salt, ginger garlic paste, coriander powder. The taste of the curry depends upon how well you saute the onions in those blend of the spices, even before adding the main ingredient. So never skip this step. Okay? The onions are sauteed. Add marinated mutton to it. Saute it very well. If you prefer the curry to be spicy, at this stage add chili powder. Add coconut milk and then required amount of water and pressure cook it for 15 to 20 minutes. So it looks like this. Mutton will be soft, but we need it for a gravy for dosas, right? So we are going to saute it again for a few minutes so that it become thick, slightly thick like a gravy, enough to be served as a side for dosa. So while we are sauteing this, we are adding 1/2 teaspoon of coriander powder, and then finely chopped coriander leaves. Just saute it for 3 minutes, then gravy is ready to serve. Now serve with dosa, and it is yummy good. Keep in touch for more recipes and subscribe.